We're excited to release a new advanced speech model, GPT Realtime, as well as an improved Realtime API. Both are generally available for developers to build with starting today.
AI just leveled up in a big way. OpenAI has officially launched GPT Realtime, their fastest, most natural-sounding AI ever, and it's not just about chatting quicker. We're talking about production-ready voice agents, brand new voices, image inputs, live phone calls, better benchmarks, and a 20% price cut. Wow, that's a lot packed into one release. So today let's break down what GPT Realtime actually is, what's new, and why this could be the update that finally makes AI feel human. Imagine this. You're talking to an AI and it responds instantly. No awkward delay, no loading pause. You interrupt it mid-sentence and it pivots naturally like a human. That's GPT Realtime, the new speech-to-speech model powering the future of real-time AI assistants. But here's the twist. This isn't just a demo anymore. The Realtime API is now generally available. Developers can build reliable, production-ready voice agents with features like remote MCP server support, image inputs, and even phone calling through SIP. You heard that right. GPT Realtime can literally take phone calls. Oh, that's a game changer for businesses. And let's talk about voices. OpenAI dropped two new ones, Marin and Cedar, designed to sound smoother, more natural, more expressive. They didn't stop there. All 8 existing voices got upgrades too, meaning conversations feel more human than ever. You can even tell the AI to speak quickly and professionally or sound empathetic in a French accent, and it'll nail it. That's next-level personalization. Now this is where it gets crazy. GPT Realtime isn't just faster, it's smarter. It can follow complex instructions word for word. Need it to read a disclaimer script exactly? Done. Want it to repeat back a VIN number or alphanumeric code in Japanese, Spanish, or French? Easy. In fact, it scored 82.8% on the Big Bench audio benchmark, crushing the older December model at 65.6%. That's a massive leap in reasoning with audio. And the upgrades don't stop there. On the multi-challenge audio test, designed to push AI with tricky multi-turn conversations, GPT Realtime hit 30.5% accuracy, up from 20.6%. On function calling performance, it scored 66.5% compared to 49.7% before. Translation, it's way better at calling the right tools at the right time. And thanks to async function calling, it can keep chatting with you while running background tasks. Smooth. Now picture the possibilities. Customer support agents powered by GPT Realtime that answer instantly, sound natural, and can even handle phone calls directly. Education apps where students ask questions and get empathetic, clear explanations, live. Or a robot that doesn't just respond, it chats with you in real time while actually completing tasks. That's the Jarvis dream, and it's inching closer. And get this, GPT Realtime now supports image input. You can drop in a photo or screenshot mid-conversation and the AI will analyze it, read text, or explain what it sees. Imagine troubleshooting an error message. You snap a screenshot, feed it in, and GPT Realtime explains the fix. That's insanely practical. But hold up, there's more. Thanks to session initiation protocol support, this tech can plug into phone networks and PBX systems. That means real-world deployments where AI literally picks up the phone, answers customers, and speaks naturally. Combine that with reusable prompts, where developers can save custom instructions and reuse them across sessions, and you've got serious flexibility for businesses. Now let's talk about safety and privacy. OpenAI has added multiple layers of safeguards. The Realtime API actively monitors conversations for harmful content, can halt sessions if needed, and supports EU data residency for compliance. Developers are required to be transparent that users are talking to AI. No sneaky impersonations. And yes, voices are preset to avoid misuse like deepfake calls. And here's the cherry on top. Pricing just dropped by 20% compared to the preview version. Now it's $32 per million input audio tokens and $64 per million output tokens, with smarter token management so long conversations won't drain your wallet. For enterprises, that's a big deal. So let's zoom out. GPT Realtime isn't just an upgrade, it's a full package. Blazing speed, natural voices, higher accuracy, phone integration, image input, safer deployment, and cheaper pricing. This is OpenAI saying loud and clear, we're ready for the real world. But here's the question, are we ready for it? Because real-time AI is about to be everywhere. Your phone, your workplace, maybe even your home devices. Some will celebrate it as the end of clunky chatbots, Others will worry about privacy and jobs, and that debate is just getting started. So here's my final thought. GPT Realtime feels like the first AI that actually listens, reacts, and speaks like us. It's not decades away, it's here, and developers are already building with it. That's huge. Now I want to know what you think. Would you trust an AI to pick up your phone calls, sound like a real human, and even run tools in the background while chatting with you? Or does that cross a line for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be reading. With that said, thanks for watching. Smash that like button if this blew your mind, subscribe for more insane AI updates, and until next time, stay curious.